Many photographers, whether beginners or experienced, often fall into common pitfalls that can hinder the quality of their work. Recognizing and avoiding these mistakes is a crucial step toward capturing more compelling and professional-looking images. By understanding what to watch out for, you can make immediate improvements to your photography. This section will introduce practical advice designed to help you elevate your skills, no matter where you are on your photographic journey. One of the most common mistakes in photography is overlooking the importance of composition. The way you arrange elements within the frame can dramatically affect the impact of your image. Techniques such as the rule of thirds help guide the viewer's eye and create balance, while leading lines draw attention to the main subject. Symmetry can add a sense of harmony and order. By thoughtfully composing your shots, you can elevate ordinary scenes into visually compelling photographs. Lighting plays a crucial role in shaping the mood and overall quality of your photos. Ignoring lighting mistakes can lead to images that appear flat, harsh, or lack the desired atmosphere. To enhance your photography, pay attention to the direction, intensity, and color of light. Early mornings and late afternoons, often called the golden hours, provide soft, warm light that flatters most subjects. Experimenting with natural and creative lighting techniques can help you achieve more dynamic and visually appealing results. Many beginners rely solely on automatic camera settings, missing out on the creative control offered by manual adjustments. Understanding how ISO, aperture, and shutter speed work together allows you to adapt to different lighting conditions and achieve specific visual effects. Experimenting with these settings can help you capture sharp action shots, create beautiful background blur, or enhance low-light scenes. Mastering manual controls is essential for elevating your photography and expressing your unique vision. Neglecting post-processing basics can significantly limit the impact of your photographs. Simple edits such as cropping, adjusting exposure, and balancing colors can transform an ordinary image into something truly compelling. These enhancements help to highlight your subject, correct imperfections, and bring your creative vision to life. Editing is not just an afterthought, it's an essential step that allows you to fully realize the potential of your images. Emotion is a powerful element in photography, often transforming a simple image into a memorable story. When a photograph captures genuine feelings, whether joy, surprise, or contemplation, it resonates more deeply with viewers. Engaging with your subject can help reveal authentic expressions, while being attentive to candid moments allows you to document real, unguarded emotions. These emotional connections not only add impact to your photos, but also invite viewers to experience the moment alongside your subject. Striving to capture emotion elevates your work beyond technical skill, making each image truly meaningful. By applying these photography tips, you can enhance your skills and capture more compelling images. Remember, improvement comes with consistent practice and a willingness to experiment. Stay curious and open to new techniques as you develop your unique creative vision. With dedication and patience, you'll find your photographs becoming more striking and expressive over time.